This is lesson 15, module 5, page S77, representing three-dimensional figures using nets. So a net is a rectangular prism or a cube cut and folded out, kind of like when you get a package in the mail with a box and you cut the box down. If you folded the box out, you would have a net of the box and you would see 6 faces. And when I say faces, this is a face, 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 face. Now it can only be folded into a cube or a rectangular prism if there are no open spaces and there is no overlap. So with the following pages, you can cut some out and see if they fold into a cube without any open spaces or any overlaps. And then that would be considered a net. So the problem set wants us to match the following nets to the picture of its solid, then write the name of the solid. So if you look here, this one, I'll draw it to this. This one has two rectangles and a square and 2 triangles. That looks like that one. And then the base of this is a rectangle to a triangle. So the way we name three-dimensional shapes is we name them by their bottom, so or their shape. So this one is a right triangular prism, and it's a prism because it has the rectangles. Now this one is bottom is a rectangle, so we start with a rectangular. And it's not a prism because it comes to a point. When they come to the point with a triangle, it is called a pyramid. And the bottom is a rectangular, so a rectangular, and it doesn't come to a point, so it's a prism. Prisms have rectangles and it doesn't come to a point when the nets meet. Pyramids come to that point at the top. Okay, the next page, it says we don't need to sketch a net. Below are the nets for a variety of prisms and pyramids. Classify the solids as prisms or pyramids and identify the shape of the base. Then write the name of the solid. Okay, so classify the shape of the base and then write the name of the solid. All right, so this is definitely a prism. It's a prism and the bases are pentagons. So this is a pentagonal prism. Let's go to B. It's going to meet at a point, so it's a prism, but the base is a rectangular prism. This is going to, whoops, that is not a prism. It's meeting at a point, so it's at a pyramid. Sorry. The next one, if I fold it up, it's going to meet at a point, so it's a pyramid. It is a triangular, the base is a triangle. Triangular pyramid. The next one, the bases are rectangles, and the bases are not. The bases are triangles, so this is a triangular prism. The base is a hexagon, and if I folded it up, it'd meet at a point, so it's a pyramid. So this is a hexagonal pyramid. And the last one we have, it's definitely a prism. It is a rectangular prism.